have no eyelashes. Wow. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how I did this look. This is what I do when I do wear makeup to work. To be honest, I do not wear makeup every single day because I'm a medic, and not the kind that like works in a hospital enjoying their life and everything. I'm a line medic, so I'm outside sweating my butt off all the time, like in the sun, like 10 hours a day. Like, it's fun. But yeah, so I usually wear makeup when I have like a half day or something, or like a Friday. But yeah, so when I do wear makeup, this is what I do. Sometimes I just do my eyebrows, but yeah, if I'm going like the full soft glam, like noticeable, not noticeable kind of thing, this is what I do.
Subscribe!
Yeah. First things first, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm dotting it all over my face. After that's dotted all over, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Precision Makeup Sponge, and I'm going to blend that in, make my face look all nice and smooth, and I'm using the flat side of this sponge. Next, I'm grabbing my Fenty Beauty Match Stix in the color Caramel, and I'm going to conceal with that. But it's kind of like the color of my face, so it doesn't really do much, but I think it does. So I go back in with the Rimmel London Match Perfection Concealer, and I highlight with that as well. I put it underneath my eyes, and then I put it on my nose, and then also between my eyebrows. So after that's all done, I'm going to let my concealer sit for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add my contour with the Match Stix in the color Truffle. And then you serve a quick look because you're feeling these lines. And I'm going to blend it out. Blendy, blendy, blend. Get around the jawline, go around like the hairline and all that fun stuff. And I also dot it around my forehead, and a little bit of this goes a long way. Now it's time to go back to the concealer, and I use the same sponge as before. I just use the round side of it, not the flat side, and I do that. Next, I'm setting all of that with my Mercier setting powder. And I'm going to put that wherever the concealer went, aka underneath my eyes, my nose, my brow area. Next, I'm grabbing an eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques, and I'm using that same setting powder. I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelids. Now I'm going in with this NYC bronzer, and I'm grabbing a blending brush. I'm going to focus that on the crease, and then I think I'm actually just going to put it all over my eyelids. And I'm also going to put it on the sides of my nose, and then I'm going to go back where my contour was and put it on my cheeks, on my jaws, and then also around my forehead. Now it's time to highlight. I'm using the same eyeshadow brush as before. I'm just using the other side of it, and I'm using Hustler Baby. I'm going to put that underneath my eyebrows. I'm going to put it in the center of my lids, and then down the bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to use Mean Money and then put that on the tip of my nose. And then I'm going to go back and mix Mean Money and Hustle Baby and put that on my cheeks to highlight. And boom, your girl got brows. Now I'm putting on some sensational mascara. Don't mind my eyelashes, they real little. They look non-existent, but I like pretend that I have eyelashes, so I'm going to put some mascara on anyways. For lips, I use that good old Carmex. Last but not least, we're setting it all with some setting spray. Okay, so don't joke me about my bottle because this is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. It's in the MAC Prep and Prime bottle because somebody, also known as my dog, decided to get into my makeup one day, and she chewed up the bottle, and I didn't want it to leak out and waste it because I just bought it. So luckily this was empty, so I put So I put everything in here, and then I just changed the top to this one instead of like the Max, that one. So yeah, this is the finished look. You know you want to follow me.